Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can extract or clone GitHub repository from GitHub to your local computer system. It's really easy. Now let's get started. First step is really simple. Go to the repository which you want to copy. In my case, I want to copy this repository in my local system. So just copy the HTTPS link of this repository, or you can also download this via zip, but it's a good thing, if you use HTTPS to download this. Now after this, after copying this HTTPS address, make sure you are connected to internet. Otherwise it's not going to work. Open your text editor where you will write down all your code, basically commands to clone this repository in your local system. Click on terminal, new terminal, and in case you can also use this git. Okay, you can directly write down the commands also. Now first of all, let me go to the path where I want to store this. In my case, I'm storing this in G drive under the handyman folder. And now here, just to clone the repository, let me zoom in for you. Just simply write down git clone and paste the URL which we have copied from GitHub, and then press enter. Now it started cloning. Okay, it will take some time, and that's all. We have that repository now here in our local system. So this is how you clone the GitHub repository. It's quite easy. That's all for this video. Thank you so much. If you have any other question, you can comment on comment sections, of course, and you can also check out the article regarding this, and you can follow my GitHub tutorials too. Links will be in description. Bye, take care.